chiede. Wow.
Questo vogliamo. Ahora más con ¿qué es el nivello? There is steamed rice, deep fried rice.
Yeah, una pane che chiama fried chicken, fried rice. Ciao pane.
Fried rice. So enjoy the dumplings.
Φίλε, εσύ τι θέλεις. Εμένα το γεύμα αν κάνω πίνουμε στον μέγιστο βαθμό. Αρέσκει μου πάρα πολλά το fried rice, πάρα πολλά. Στο μαρσό τώρα μαθαίνω και μάθαινε ότι αρέσκει μου μας Κάρμεν και κάθε φορά να ρωτάμε αν θα πάω. Και sweet and sour επίσης αρέσκει μου πολλά, καμία μου και κουτσίνο. Όχι κάθε εβδομάδα, επειδή μαϊρευτεί για όλους, θα μαϊρευτεί πάντα τι μου αρέσκει εμένα. Αλλά τα δυο, άμα τα συνδυάζω, αρέσει μου πάρα πολύ. Του κάνουμε το γύρο ότι πιάμε είναι πόμι για μένα.
Τώρα είναι εύσομα είναι μέσα. Άμα.
Hello, 我们准备好了。
Can we get the sweet and sour pork?
Sweet and sour pork?
Yes.
Yes.
Pork is no.
I
Char
thought
siu is
about
pork.
bringing cash and then I just
Chicken, beef, char siu.
You don't have the sweet and sour pork? I got it last time. I got it last time, sweet and sour pork.
Sweet pork is this one. Is this sweet and sour pork? Sorry. This one. Sweet and sour pork.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's a dish.
Dish,
No
yes.
noodle, no rice.
Yeah, we want only
Okay,
this. Okay,
okay.
yeah, no, we don't need this.
Oh,
no,
yeah,
no.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just the dish.
Ah,
just the
this,
dish.
yes, set.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we get the pepper spicy beef as well? Again, this one, not with.
Okay, only this.
Yeah,
only
Spicy
this.
pork.
Black pepper beef.
Yeah, this one sweet and sour pork.
On this one, sweet and sour.
Yes.
And which one?
No, but the big pork, like the big slice of pork, the dish.
Only this. I know you ordered a dish
Yes,
of sweet
yes.
and sour pork.
Yes.
I know. What do you like?
We want the black pepper beef,
Okay.
but as a dish, not
Yeah,
a...
just dish. Like the dish, again, you have fried
Oh,
beef.
you only know, sorry.
Yeah.
This one,
Not this one, not this one.
Oh,
It's here. Like just the dish.
beef, fried spicy beef.
Yeah, with peppers.
Okay. Pepper? Oh no. Sorry. Two people. 只剩就可以。